12 minutes past 6, you were looking live at a mostly cloudy downtown Charlottesville as viewed by our East Market Street weather camera. That's an indication of a more humid air mass on its way for this last weekend of June. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The next big thing I'm tracking here in the Weather Center is going to be a very strong summer cold front. As we first alerted you earlier in the week, Sunday would be the game changer. Here comes a cold front that will intercept this heat and the humidity, and it will sponsor a shower and thunderstorm, and a couple of thunderstorms may pose a damaging wind risk, but that's later on Sunday into Sunday evening. In that first forecast on this Saturday, we have lots of clouds overhead, kind of blocking that scorching June sunshine, but later on today, we should get some breaks of sunshine, and that will give us a boost in temperature with highs reaching the upper 80s and lower 90s with that southerly breeze expected to be on the humid side as well. 29 First Alert Doppler is showing us dry skies, but there's a more muggy atmosphere. Notice the showers coming up from areas of western portions of North Carolina and South Carolina with the Great Smoky Mountains. That's a southerly wind coming off of the Atlantic, and that's going to give us a lot more humid air. At the same time, here comes a cold front draped across the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes, and for today and tonight, the severe weather risk looks to stay across the Keystone State of Pennsylvania, northern portions of the Mountain State of West Virginia, and west into the Buckeye State of Ohio. Some of this activity will try to be moving its way to the southeast tonight in weakening form. That's why portions of our area are in a low end risk for a localized severe weather risk, but I think most of the area will stay dry today and tonight. Now, tomorrow is a different story, especially in the afternoon and evening. We are in a scattered severe thunderstorm category. So basically 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Sunday, any thunderstorm that gets going may pose a damaging wind threat. The overall large hail, tornado, and flood threat is very, very low at this time. This is a similar setup to what we had on this past Wednesday evening with a couple of damaging wind reports. High-res weather tracker shows most areas are rain-free today. Here 6 p.m., not a whole lot going on. Overnight, there could be an uptick of a shower and storm. Here comes a weakening band of storms out of the Ohio Valley and the Appalachians. They will fade away by tomorrow morning. And then it's Sunday afternoon, 2 p.m., 11 p.m. from west to east, a couple of thunderstorms across the area, and expect highly variable rainfall amounts. And it looks like we're going to see a drying trend on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And just in time for the 4th of July, a couple of more thunderstorm chances. And look at this break in the heat and the humidity on Monday and Tuesday. That's why I'm calling it a heat-busting cold front. We go from 97 on Sunday to 82 on Monday. In your forecast today, highs will top out in the upper 80s and low 90s. Clouds of sun. Isolated storm chance later today into tonight with lows in the steamy 70s. Look at tomorrow, and this will be the hottest day for a while with highs in the mid to upper 90s in the central part of the Commonwealth, low 90s for the valley, a scattered shower and thunderstorm. But the heat index tomorrow at 3 p.m. before any storm will be in the lower 100s. 7-day forecast. Look at that breath of fresh air Monday and Tuesday. Low 80s by day, lows in the 50s, but then just in time for the 4th of July, it'll be hot as a firecracker, upper 90s with scattered storm chances. Destiny.
Thank you so much.